Hey everyone, welcome to a tour of my hotel room. Today I am staying at the Grand Hyatt in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and just gonna get started. Right over here we have this mirror. I'm not gonna appear in the mirror because I came in last night. I'm still feeling under the weather, so you may not see me much in this video, and I'm okay with that. You may even hear it in my voice. Anyway, so yes, we have a full-length mirror right next to the door as soon as you walk out, so you can do a check before you leave. And then here is the foyer to your room. Over here we have the mirror and coffee station. This is actually the beverage station, if you will. I have here some snacks, which I thought was really interesting. I feel like there's going to be a cost to it. I don't know, but I'm thinking about just trying it because it looks good. Coffee station here. I have some water and my teapot. Down here we have some snacks. Oh no, sorry, coffee stuff. Coffee and tea. And then here we have the refrigerator with drinks. All kinds of drinks. There's a soda over here. This is my first time in Malaysia, so I'm not familiar with some of these brands, but I'm looking forward to exploring. I will get to this later. First, let's go to the bathroom. So, me in my Western mind, I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh wait, hold on. Let me find the lights. I thought, oh, this is like a private room for your bathtub. But I didn't realize that with this laid out here, the shower head is here. So this is the shower side and this is the bathtub side. So I didn't realize that. And then also, if you look at this window, you have a privacy button here if you wanted to look out into the bedroom or not. And as we go in here, you have a place to sit down. Love that. Product here is by Paris. Very nice. Over on the other side, they give us some robes. I took this robe outside of the closet because I needed it for my stuff. So to the left here, this is the closet. The light turns on when you open the closet. A little messy, but I did my best. Mirror over here. Two drawers down here. Ironing board is here on the side. And then we also have the safe and drawers, more drawers. Down here, they do have laundry service, in case you need it. I just want to also point out that there are slippers here, although they're not branded with the Grand Hyatt logo, but you do have two slippers here. Okay. Over here is the toilet. There's the light here for the toilet. But yeah, it's pretty standard. Lots of mirrors here, over here and over here. Here is our vanity area, makeup, mirror, makeup. This is, I put my my makeup bag over here. I think this is the light. Yes, okay. So this is where I will be doing my makeup, and then over here is the, the sink. Let's see. I know that the hairdryer is over there, so more mirrors. So in case you were wondering, you do have some amenities here besides the Balmain stuff. They're just tucked over in this drawer. So this leads into the bedroom area, but I don't remember if... Ah, yes. Okay, so you could close this door if you wanted to. I guess, yeah, but this, what is this? Is this open? No. Oh, what is this? Oh. It won't open. I don't know what this is. Anyway. Fine. I shouldn't go poking. But anyway, so this opens up into the bedroom. To the bedroom area / parlor. I came in late last night and I just went to bed, so that's why the bed is a little messed up, but it's actually very nice. And this is the window that I said before could be clear if you were in the shower room. Over here is my parlor area. I got a nice little treat from the hotel, chocolates and fruit, which I really needed. Really more the fruit, but chocolate is always a nice add-on, right? And then the desk area, flat screen TV. Yeah, everything that you need. This is a nice little desk lamp. I like the style of it if you look at it. Here. But let me turn it off because I'm not using it. You have all the outlets all over the room. But yeah, I think this is a very nice space. Very large. Let's see. Master controls. I moved this from the bathroom just because if you can't tell, I have a cold. So that's why I've been using a lot of tissue. And then finally we have the view. Well, the view that I have, hopefully it'll be nice because last night it was raining. Let's see. So down here is the convention center, because I'm here for work, of course. And I believe this is like the park area. I think this is even the trail here if you wanted to go running. Oh, maybe it's better over here. You can see it better over here. But yeah, so this is Kuala Lumpur. First time here. And I know if you go to, I want to say it's the 36th floor of this hotel, you will see a nice view of the Twin Towers. So that is it for the tour of my hotel room in the Grand Hyatt, Kuala Lumpur.